Welcome to Global Recipedio. Today, we'll show you how to make a delicious smash burger at home. Let's get started. It starts with the best ingredients: 80-20 ground chuck, fresh brioche, and our signature sauce. We want these onions thin enough to melt into the meat. Listen to that sear. That is the sound of flavor developing. The smash creates maximum surface area for that incredible crust. Season the patties with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Flip them gently to create a rich, golden brown crust on both sides. Place a slice of cheddar on each patty and cover with a melting dome. In seconds, the cheese becomes perfectly melted, creamy, and irresistible. Stack the fresh ingredients, top with the toasted bun, and serve your perfectly juicy smash burger. Enjoy every delicious bite.